we set up a forex trading strategy, its automatization or an indicator to your ideas. Leave the trading to an automated trading system that monitors the market continuously 24 hours, 5 days a week, and don't miss any opportunity to trade. In addition to commonly used indicators such as RSI, moving average, and many others, we offer the possibility to design and incorporate your own indicators. The new MQL5 language syntax is similar to that of MQL4, but MQL5 programs work up to 20 times faster. This is possible because all MQL5 language functions are implemented as efficiently as possible, while the compiler aggressively optimizes the obtained executable EX5 code to achieve the high speed of MQL5 applications. The second reason is the implementation of asynchronous operations executed in a fraction of a millisecond. These operations open opportunities previously unavailable for many professional traders. With the 5th generation platform, for more details +1786 4142 631.